Alright, alright. There he goes.
It just looks so much nicer now.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
That's very cool.
Windows getting all foamed up.
You know what we'll do? They'll want to see to bring it around the back, you know? How it folds around the back of the car. This is how it gets the back. Yeah. See, that's the cool part.
Ooh, I like these lights.
That's been there since the beginning.
Noticed?
Yeah. That's
It's 'cause
old.
I never go to Halo's.
Yeah.